How to use automation clips in FL Studio 21. So first of all, we have to ask ourselves, why exactly are we house music producers or any producer using automation clips? The reason is very simple. We want to make electronic music sound organic. Basically what the DJ does with his high pass filter, his low pass filter, the effects while he's performing live is exactly what the music producer is doing. The only difference is that he's programming this into his tracks, and like this the track will basically sound more organic. There's going to be movement. We're going to basically automate every single thing. So the good thing about automation clips is that you can literally automate every effect that you want to automate in FL Studio. So we have this breakdown of the track, and basically what I want to automate is the delay. For example, how much delay can you hear when the vocals are playing, and how much delay can you hear when your vocals are not playing. The way how we do it is very simple. So for example, we have this vocal channel here, and this vocal channel in my house music production template is already connected to the vocal delay channel. If I increase this button, yes, you're gonna hear a lot of delay. But obviously we want to automate it so every single time the vocals are coming in, this delay is at 0. We don't want any delay when the vocals are coming in, or maybe just minimum. So everything you really do is on a MacBook, for example, you take 2 fingers, like with your girlfriend, and then basically you just click on the parameter which you want to automate with 2 fingers, and at the same time you're gonna have this little window, and you're gonna basically go on create automation clips.